dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem with your cellular data on your iPhone. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings, you need to find your cellular, just open it, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if it doesn't help, if it still has the error, so you can also just try to switch your type of your cellular data. So here you will see voice and data, and you change it, switch it from 3G to LTE, and if you choose LTE previous time, just choose to 3G. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just check updates. So just go to the general, and here you will see software update. Just open it and just check if you have available updates for your iPhone. If you have, just try to install it on your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.